want you to stay. Sige ba? Till I'm in the grave, till I run away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to, cause it was always you. Alright, and if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might that be forever? But if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. May nagbago pa sa tug ko. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would give the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. No, say you don't see it. You're mine, spoil you. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. Do-do. Do-do. I love you till the day that I die. Yes, I love you all. Ooh. Do-do. Do-do. Next song. Do-do. Wala po bang nagbago sa tunog ko, guys? Or talagang bingi na ako? Chill lang kayo dyan. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realize wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ended, I wanna be next to you. And our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me. Our love, the only war worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody is promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Good evening, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome here in my stream. Just enjoy listening, watching. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh, I wanna be next to you. Sana all. Thank you. Someone requested a song, Mamma Mia. Just let me know all your requests, guys. I will sing that song if I know. If I know your request, okay? Standby lang kayo dyan, cause we're gonna go live until maybe 12 midnight Hawaii time. 12 midnight. Midnight. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear the bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Mama, thank you. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go. Los Gucci, happy Mother's Day. Emie, thank you. Lungkot ito ah. I've been angry and sad about the things that you do. Thank you. I can count all the times that I've told you we're through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that you won't be away. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear the bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here we go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Mama, did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, how I really know. Mama, I could never let you go. Thank you so much. That's your request. You're welcome. Thank you po. Nag-enjoy naman po ba kayo guys while watching me? Kasi kung hindi, mag-enlen lang tayo. Huh? Thank you, Ate. You're welcome. Alright, here's the next request. I just fall in love again. Thank you, Coco. Thank you, Mas Midnight. Road to first box. Ninong, I feel magbobote. Welcome back. Just 3. Sa mga in love. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really like here with you? Maybe you take me in your arms. Although I'm wide awake, I know my dreams are coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and it happens every time. There I go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Thank you, Dan. Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you in the night, it seems to fly so easy. Thank you, Coco. For you to take me to the star. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes, and oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and it happens every time. There I go. I just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. And oh, fall in love with you.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much. That's your request. I sleep. Coco, thank you. We'll see you.